Today we're going to replace a spark plug and a McCulloch Mac 338 chainsaw. Firstly, remove the top cover using a flat screwdriver and remove the 3 screws. You can now disconnect the spark plug boot. Loosen the spark plug using the torx. Get your new spark plug and, if necessary, check the gap before you change it. Using a feeler gauge, make sure the gap is 0.7mm. Hand tighten the plug and tighten with the torx. Place the boot back over the plug. Then attach the top cover, fixing with the screws. That's how you replace a spark plug and a McCulloch Mac 338 chainsaw. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.